Good morning, party people! Help me choose my outfit! Let's get ready for Coachella Day 3. No, I'm joking, but happy Easter! So I'm getting ready for Easter dinner and I thought maybe I show you my 3 options and you say me what I should wear. Okay, option number 1. Oh my god, the lighting is so bad. Okay, this is very flirty, very cozy. I'm feeling like a cute Easter bunny, you know? I'm like high family. I'm always overdressed, so that's not the point. So it has a cute split here. And I don't know, I don't have a big butt, but I think it makes my butt a bit puppier. Like, hi, wow. Okay, this is option number 1. Okay, second dress, a little bit more color, a cute bag. I think this is why I would choose this one. And also open slit on this side. I think it's very cute. Mostly I wear white on dinner occasions. I don't know why. So this is like a boom effect when I come in a cute color. Oh, before I forgot, this one is from Pretty Little Thing and this one from Sarah. Yeah. Okay, let me show you the full size length of the dress. I think it's very, very... Okay, last but not least, this one. Oh my god. Stay. Okay, from the front it doesn't look good, but yeah, I know. Also, full length. I think it's very cute. You cannot forget it's for family dinner. But I don't know. I don't think it suits my front, so it makes me a little bit flirty from the front. It's only cute from the back. But I think I will go with the white one. I think I'm making the Easter bunny.